So here we go now. Mercado Del Lago. So we are sitting here to wait.
Because we're early. Because I'm always early. Everything around here is on Filipino time.
I am Filipino time, and then what time it will be open till 5 p.m.
5? Yeah. I don't even know what time it is.
They're gonna allow us to enter the Mercado Del Lago park till 5 p.m. and then we have to wait here.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down.
So it's already open now. There you go.
Yeah, it's open.
Yeah, this is the view.
No, it's it.
Let's see if they have an entrance fee. Yeah, dito yung entrance.
Face mask na.
Face mask.
Masks.
Yes. Ay, face mask. No face mask, no entry. Okay, let's go. Let's go. May bayad ba?
Bayad na, bawal na yung bag nyo, bawal na lang po.
Wait lang. Ano lang naman to, puro.
Sige po.
Thank you. Whisking. What is this? Pwede ito. Yes, this is the view here, Mercado del Lago. It looks like you're in the other country.
I'm still trying to figure out what these are.
Yeah.
What are they? You know what these are?
This is the, I don't know, nothing on here.
Yeah, there's no like seating or anything.
You're not allowed to see. Bawal po ang si Santa. And then, see, right here. See that? Oh, sure. Let's try the inside of this. What's on here? Let's see what's on here. So, nothing on here. I don't know, maybe they have foods here before pandemic, I think. Mercado del Lago.
Little seawall here. We've lost our music. I really don't know what these things are, but they all have a sink. If there's anybody out there can comment and tell me what this is, if they know, that would be awesome. Because my Filipino tour guide doesn't know anything ever.
I don't know. My first time. My first time here.
Alright, looks like there's some boats out there. Oh, that's a house? Okay. These are little houses out there? Yeah, see, the drone would have been good for today. Other than the crappy weather. We'll have to come back for with the drone. Have to come back with the drone. So she says she sees a fish. I'm gonna guess it's just trash. And it's just trash.
Out if we could see any.
Alright, so still not sure what there is to do here at Mercado Del Lago. It is the only place I've been to in a long time that requires face masks, so know that ahead of time. Otherwise, haven't found much to do here so far, but the view is nice. Nicer if we had picked a day with better weather, though.
It's not finished yet.
He said you're goofy? What?
Better view here.
I got the best view in the house right now. Tell him
Oh my god.
oh my god. Oh my god, Joseph. All the way back in. This is where the food is, maybe. What? I don't know. Don't look like there's anything up there. Those look like offices. I'm gonna go eat without you. There we go. Lots of street food.
Saan po yung enter?
We're gonna what?
On this way, exit.
We're gonna exit.
Bye.
In classic Filipino style, they made us exit one thing to enter another one, even though you're gonna walk through a path to get there. I don't get it, but you know, it's not my country, so I just play by the rules. This does look much cooler, though. We finally found something to do here. Of course, the friendly Filipinos are hi. That's one reason I love this country. Everybody's so friendly.
Opo. Daga. Taguig.
How about you say, when you come to your home? What's the state? Listen to the presentation, listen to the
I don't know. Hello po.
Hopefully not get run over by a train. Get everybody on the train. We should have been late and took the train.
Oh, there you go.
Got 1,000
Yeah.
views in an hour on that.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh?
Considering we have 41 subscribers.
It's recording. Ako malay mo, ano, lagi ka nakain ngayon naman.
Hello.
Hi! Good afternoon.
Good morning.
Ano mo? Pulutin ka na ba?
So, Mercado de Lago. This is the exit, so we're going home now. Looking for the grab.